How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can create an image inside the text effect in Photoshop. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to just click on the text tool. And of course, you can now start typing your text. In our case, let's go ahead and do something like Ducati. And then you want to find a font where there's a lot of space to show the image. So I suggest using something like Impact, and then you can adjust your text as big as you like. So if you want to show more image, of course you want to go ahead and make it bigger. Now from here, you want to make sure that the text is above the image itself. Now from here, you then want to make sure that the image layer is above the text itself. And then you can just press Alt on your keyboard. And then when the mouse icon change, it will allow us to actually clip the text right here. Or you can simply right click on it and then click on the create clipping button, which is going to be this one. Now to basically add more effect, you can of course change the dimension, or you can change the scaling of your image behind the text itself. And you then want to navigate through FX, and then to make the text better, you can add something like bezel, so it will actually show up like this. And then you can also do something like a drop shadow. So this effects will simply make the text better, as you can see right here. And that's how you basically do it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.